In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog website with Hostinger's Website Builder. If you're a beginner and you're looking to get your blog up and running quickly and efficiently, this guide is perfect for you. It's straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll have your very own blog site ready to share your thoughts and stories with the world. So let's dive right in. First, I want you to open up your web browser and make your way to Hostinger. If you haven't already created an account, take a moment to sign up. Hostinger is an excellent choice for beginners because of its user-friendly interface and powerful features. Once you're in and logged into your Hostinger account, look for the section labeled Websites in the dashboard. It's usually on the main menu and you can't miss it. Clicking on it will lead you to your website management view. In this view, you'll see a list of all the websites you manage, if you have any previously set up. For now, focus on the website you want to turn into your blogging platform. Find your desired site and click on Edit Website. This action will launch the Hostinger Website Builder where all the customization happens. Once you're in the builder, lean your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a menu there. What you're looking for is the option labeled Blog. Click on it to open the blog management section. This is where you can manage your blog posts, review published content, and draft new stories. Now, the fun part. Let's get started on your first post. Click on Add New Post. A new window will open up, allowing you to draft your content. Here, let your imagination and creativity flow. You'll see the typical editor settings where you can format text, add images, and really make your post shine. Take your time with it, and remember that this platform is designed to be intuitive, so you shouldn't face any overwhelming challenges. A small but crucial piece of advice: after you've written your masterpiece, always preview it. This will give you an idea of how it looks to your audience and lets you fix any formatting quirks. Once you're happy, go ahead and hit publish. Congratulations! You've just created and published your very first blog post using Hostinger. Creating a blog with Hostinger is that simple, and now you have the freedom to keep adding more posts and customizing your site as you grow more comfortable with the platform. Explore, experiment, and soon enough, you'll have a bespoke blog that's uniquely yours. Keep experimenting with different elements and have fun on your blogging journey. That's all for now. Happy blogging.